5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine. Dire team ban. 10 seconds to pick your hero, you moron. Yeah, 5 seconds left now. Radiant team ban. Oh, Dire team ban. Oh man, Rick, there's only 10 seconds left to pick a hero. 5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine. Radiant team ban.
Impossible.
Whew, Radiant team ban. Oh, Dire team ban. You.
Okay guys, game 2.
Sino nanalo nung una?
Puno ng saging, boss.
Oo.
Oscar?
Lakas talaga ni Biryani.
Come on, Dire team, pick it good.
Silencer.
Come on, Radiant team, you gotta pick them right. Gotta pick a hero. You got 10 seconds left. Yeah, 5 seconds left now. Dire team ban.
I speak for the trees.
Uh, 10 seconds to pick your hero, you moron. Oh, Dire team ban. Radiant team ban. Oh man, Rick, there's only 10 seconds left to pick a hero. 5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine. Come on, Radiant team, you gotta pick them right. You really gotta pick a hero. You got 10 seconds left. Yeah, 5 seconds left now.
Go. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. EBCDFG.
Hello. Test mic.
Yun. Okay. So ano to? Okay, mga usual bans, may Beastmaster, Shaman doon, ganun. Marcy, very unusual ban, galing sa Dire, Earth Spirit, very unusual din. Undying, of course, may NP Silencer. Oh, nakalusot yung Silencer. Okay.
Yes.
Paano to? Dire pa din yung puno, tapos mapipick sila, NP Silencer. NP. Ano sa tingin mo dito, Jen? Anong pick nila? Hindi ko pa ma-read eh. Hindi ko pa nare-read. With that
Ah,
silencer pick, hindi ako sanay sa ano eh, may nagpipick ng silencer ganitong turno. Wala
nakalusot
masyadong
eh,
nagpipick
no?
silencer. Ano
Baka
kaya
Wind
to?
Ranger? Shaman?
Bakit Wind
Ay, hindi,
Ranger?
wala na
Pick
pala
your
Shaman.
good.
Lion.
Yun. Pangit yung shaman. Pag may silencer.
Ah.
Lion, okay. I think they went for the comfort lang na support na with multiple disables. But with the silencer pick, kasi madami na disable ng mga hero eh. Very
10 seconds to pick your
magandang
hero, you
nakalusot.
moron.
So, ano kaya
Kailangan
to?
mauna nilang yung mauna
Ano?
You better pick your hero.
Silencer.
5 seconds.
NP Mars Silencer. Hindi ko pa nare-read actually. Hindi ko pa nare-read hanggang ngayon sa mga pick nila.
Hindi ko rin masabi.
And
Kasi-
Silencer, NP, Lion.
Nakaban na yung
Dire
doon.
team pick.
Siguro,
Thus,
no, Enigma. Feel ko mag-unit sila mga ano. Enigma to, doy. Task Enigma na to. Hindi. Feel ko something units eh. Units to, doy. Or like,
Open pa
yeah,
yung
yeah. I
Rubik
think
pala.
Enigma to. Oh, feel ko Enigma to. Hindi.
You really gotta pick a hero. You got
Pag
10
na-open yung
seconds
Ruby,
left.
kukunin nila for sure. So, core na yung NP.
Yeah, 5 seconds
And
left
ano
now.
kaya mga units na maganda? Especially may task ko. Solid yung Enigma eh.
Radiant team
Baka kinuha
pick.
niya yung silencer dahil sa ano? Ay, Cairo. Okay, not bad, not bad. Ano kaya? Hindi ko pa ma-read. What is the pick of these guys? Pero feel ko nagse-set up to Jen. They will pick for something like a
Oh,
big
man,
spell
there's only
na
10 seconds left to pick
counter
a hero.
global talaga. Etong next two
You-
picks,
you better pick
the
your
last
hero.
pick ng
5
Dare this
seconds.
round, will ko marireveal yung Enigma. Kasi pwede pa sila mag-Enigma dito. Dalawang picks yung Radiant. And for sure, hindi sila magpipick ng Rubik kasi wala pang i-counter ang Rubik dito. And they will go for the Enigma. Yan ang na-predict ko. Pero sa Radiant naman, they need a support, of course. Or unless i-flex nila yung NP, it will be a support. Pero 2 picks naman tong Radiant. Makita natin yung any sort of team fight potential. Kasi yung sa Dire na, malakas na yung team fight eh. Ano kaya maganda? Team fight. Oh, a BB. BB pick galing sa Radiant and they will go for the TA agad. Gogo, Enigma to doy. Feel ko Enigma to doy. Naku po. Marireveal ba Enigma? Sobrang Enigma game to doy. They have no cancels. They have no disable sa mga BKB na Enigma. They only have the Lion for the early disable for the early
5
disrupt sa
seconds,
mga black hole
it'll be
attempts. But sa late game, wala. Gago, Enigma to doy. Enigma or Necro to, for sure. Enigma or Necro. Both those heroes are still in the pool and they are very good. Unless hindi nila nakita. Pero nakaset up na kasi sila ng silencer na pick eh. So why not go for the Enigma? Di ba? So for you, Jen, ano ba to? Kasi for me, confident ako sa Enigma. Pag di nila na-pick, I don't know.
Medyo hindi
Pag
ako
di nila
confident
na-pick
sa
talaga, hindi ko
heroes
na-
ng Radiant.
Hindi ba to Enigma? Kasi pwedeng Enigma to. They need that some sort of pure damage against the BB and of course, isang black hole combo lang itong mga TA and P na ganito.
Naku, may Mars.
Mars? Okay, not bad. But where is their answer against BB?
Radiant team
Will
pick.
they go for the usual lang na purong lakas lang with the tag teams and hits sa BB? Or will they pick for a hero that ultra counters the BB and TA? What is the pick? Very awkward pa eh.
Oh, man,
Kasi with
Rick, there's
Task
only 10
and
seconds left to
Enigma,
pick a
sobrang
hero.
solid na yun. Tapos they have no cancels
Yeah,
for the
and 5
Enigma,
seconds left
like
now.
walang BKB piercing na mga spells to disrupt the black hole. And team fight wise, solid na tong Dare, tapos dinagdagan pa ng Mars.
Radiant team ban.
What will be their last pick? Last pick po natin yung yung Radiant. I think they will not go for the Enigma na. And Void Spirit will be band. Yung mga entry natin na hero to follow up like the Mars
10
Arena,
seconds to
ganyan.
pick your hero, you moron.
Now here's the thing, ano ba ang last
You better
pick
pick
na
your
Radiant?
hero, 5
Kasi may
seconds.
TA na may NP na. So for sure, NP na support to. And mid ang kulang nila. And they are setting up sa bans
Entire
ng
team ban.
Radiant, yung mga Void Spirit Nipo, ganyan, sa mga potential na pwedeng makounter yung last pick ng Radiant. So Void Spirit Mipo, okay lang sana na nabigay yung Mipo kasi last pick naman yung Radiant, they will have a strong counter na choice against that
10
Mipo
seconds
hero.
to pick your hero, you
Pero anyway, nakita po
moron.
natin na last ban na po yung Dire. Ano
5
po kayang
seconds,
hero
Morty.
nila? For
It'll be
sure,
fine.
mid hero to. Ano ba ang kailangan ng Radiant? Kailangan nilang team fight.
Entire team pick.
They really need that team fight potential. Sayang yung Leshrock. Oo nga pala, Leshrock maganda din. So what will be the
Radiant team
pick?
pick.
And they will go for the SF. Okay,
SF.
very very siya, unusual na imid. I think I only saw it once sa tournament na to, yung SF pin na yan. Unless I'm wrong,
You
correct me
really
if I'm
gotta pick a
wrong.
hero. You got
Arena.
10
Pero sa
seconds.
na-reveal na SF na mid na to,
Yeah,
ano ba ang last
5
pick na
seconds
Radiant?
left now.
So far wala akong na-predict kasi hindi ko alam. Hindi ko nare-read talaga. So far wala akong na-predict.
Hindi ko kasi masabi
And they will
kung
go
i-carry
for
nila
the
ng
last pick
NP
ko.
or not.
1, boom. Ano kaya to?
Get up on in
Storm
there,
Spirit.
choose that
I mean,
hero.
it's not bad. It's not bad. The Storm Spirit can exit the Mars ulti, yung mga Ice Shard, ganun. They need some sort of mobile hero din eh. But I think it's not the best. It is surely not the best na hero. Yung Dire, yung potential yun na Enigma game. Ayun yun. No? Anyway, hindi naman ako naglalaro. Pero nakita po natin na umayos na po ng roles yung Radiant. Si Mi Panda nakapag-NP na support, tapos si Dwayne, si Jay, siya na po yung mid lane ngayon. And we can see that it is indeed a SF mid. So sa mga ganitong match-up, Jen, sino bang lamang? Usually, SF, 3 minute 6, no?
For me,
Lamang talaga yung SF, no?
Yung Mars pick talaga, ang daming nagagawa niyan eh. Kaya, lamang sila kasi may Mars sila.
No, I mean like the 3 minute 6 timing, like sa match-up ng SF tsaka Storm. Feel ko lamang talaga SF eh, 3
Lamang
minute
SF.
6.
Hmm.
For sure. Sa trading wise naman, mataas naman armor ng Storm. Without, with the presence, presence ni SF, parang nako-compensate naman yung armor ng Storm eh. Medyo mataas tong armor ng Storm, alam ko. But let's see. I think it's still a skill-wise na match-up, yung SF tsaka Storm. Di mo counter yung isa, di mo din counter yung isa. Ganun. Pero the teamfight potential of Dire, disgusting. Sobrang lakas ng teamfight potential ng Dire, men. And we can see that the death of Radiant, parang pitas-pitas lang eh. Wala silang teamfight masyado. So let's see. Baka mali ako. Let's see. And we can see that the Dire will pop their smoke and will Radiant fight back with their smoke also. Let's see. Nakaiwalay po yung Storm tsaka NP and the Dire will be with themselves. 5 po sila. And Storm will break the smoke pero nakita po nila nakapag-ping po na nag-shard, nakapag-ward po. But no, Storm will not cover his exit talaga. Kasi 5 yun. Anong laban mo sa 5 na ikaw lang isa? Oh no, grabe yung away, man. Grabe yung trash token. Ganun pa lang. Ang early naman nagta-trash talk. No, grabe naman kayo doy. Grabe naman to sila. Pero anyway, medyo mali nga yun, error yun sa Radiant kasi nga, nag-smoke siya, then naghiwalay sila. No? They didn't even attempt once. Nag-ward lang, parang ganun. So parang hindi siya komportable for the Storm. Parang napilit lang yung Storm na gumalaw kasi naka-smoke. Parang ganun yung reasoning siguro. Pero let's see. Makuha yata nila yung respective bounties nila. Pero I think Dire will get 3 of the bounties and Radiant will just get 1. It is a bad start sa Radiant. Pero let's see sa laning stage kung sino talaga ang lamang. Especially with the global potential of NP. Yung NP lumalabas, nagtitp out na. He will not The Dire will not have any cancels to interrupt the TP. Pero yung TP po ng NP is scroll po. Hindi po yung skill kasi he got the sprout. Oh no! TA fucked up his meld na attempt. Nakita po natin na na Arcane Curse yung Lion nasa slow pa, and Rebuke will be used just to try to kill the Lion, and Lion indeed will fall. Oh no! Ganun lang? Patay na agad? Ganun lang? No, feel ko yung men, oh no, hindi pa nakapaglasit ng meld niya. Hala. Kamustahin kayo natin to, Jen? Kasi parang medyo pahit yung laro nila ang start eh. Feel ko yung parang yung mentality nila from last game parang nasira na. I don't know why, pero for me, of course, it will be disappointing talaga. Pero nakita po natin na pinopopo yung TA sa baba, pero magko-commit pa. Pumapasok yung Mars sa Tower Rage. Oh no, Mars will be damaged for some damage. Nakita po natin na nag-level 2 yung TA, nag-level 2 din yung Mars. And will Lion try? Then, indeed, Lion will try to interrupt the pull ng attempt ng the silencer. Gogo. Sobrang awkward na Radiant kayo na. Nakikita ko yung parang small things na parang kinakabahan sila or parang may something mali. Pero nakita po natin, nagte-trade po yung Lion sa silencer. Silencer will be low and silencer will have no mana to trade back. Pero na-interrupt pa din po ng Lion yung full attempt ng silencer. Ganda, support battle to Magaling mga support tong dalawa na to. Nagtitrade, nagko-contest ng pool. Grabe. Samantalang yung top lane medyo passive pa. Walang ginagawa yung top lane. And we can see that may attempt pa siguro pag nag-level 2 yung NP. And speaking of level 2 yung NP, level 2 na nga. But will we see the side lanes? Mag-attempt ba yung NP ng TP into Sprout? Or will he go for the courier snipes? He will indeed go for the courier snipes, and he will take the courier of Tusk and the courier of Gyrocopter. Tingnan natin kung mag-attempt to ng TP kasi level 2 na siya, timing niya na to. He should use all his spells as long as cooldown siya. Pero nakikita po natin yung mid, medyo kawawa talaga yung Storm sa matchup na to. 3 minute 6 talaga, walang magawa tong Storm. Kasi yung the threat of the Shadow Race talaga, medyo mahirap talaga against this slow moving hero. Nakita po natin nag-go po yung taas sa taas, pero BB will be healthy pa din, no? Wala pong Nakita po natin nag-attempt po sa baba yung NP, but NP will die in trade sa Mars po. Pero I think that is still worth it kasi nagamit ng TP sa attempt na yun. Kaysa naman mapanis, diba? Hindi ginagamit. Medyo passive talaga yung potential to kill the BB kasi is still there naman pag up yung tag team, pero pag wala, ang hirap kasi patay ng BB. Wala silang parang, let's say, threat kumbaga sa BB. Even though nawala siyang third pa ngayon yung BB, medyo tanky pa din talaga to. Ang baba po, nakita po natin na very low na yung TA, nagtitrade pa din sa Lion, sa Silencer, ang TA, ang Mars, nagtitrade battle pa din po. Very good movement coming from the Silencer sa 3 line, nagpupok, grabe, pinupok lang talaga yung TA, walang ginagawa. Oh my god, ganyan talaga mag-support. Ang ganda mag-support niya itong player na to. Poking sa 3 lines, tapos hindi makagro ng creeps. NP will be there to deny the water run of SF sa taas para makuha po ng Storm easily yung water run sa baba. And SF will not have any water run. Pero nakita po natin yung Lion, na spear po yung Lion. The spear will connect sa tree. But NP will be there to sprout the silencer to kill the silencer. Pero Snowball is used and Ice Shard is used perfectly. Hindi po nakapag-exit yung NP natin and NP will die easily. Double kill po galing sa Mars natin. Pero magta-turn ba yung TA? Hindi po. Na Mars spear po yung TA. But will he fight back? He will indeed fight back with the meld hit. Pero hindi po enough yung damage. Hindi po enough. Good rotation coming from the Tusk and NP will be punished. Sobrang na-punish yung NP dun kasi ginamit niya na yung cooldown niya na TP. Siya, namatay pa siya. Parang, I don't know, is it worth it for himself? I don't know. Pero makita po natin na to compensate that lugi, yung trade niyan, magsa-stack na lang po yung NP sa triangle natin. And this is the first night time. Tingnan po natin kung may mag-a-attempt both sides. Kasi syempre night time to, medyo bulag yung mga player. Tingnan natin kung mag-a-attempt. Ganda, nag-stock din po yung ano. Nag-stock din po yung silencer sa triangle pero dalawang caps ang na-stock. Nakita po natin na na-stun yung Mars. Na-impale po yung Mars. And will they go for the Mars? Pero medyo slow na sila eh. Medyo awkward din ano. Pero Arcane Curse will hit the Lion and Mars. No! Mars Spear will connect sa TA instead of the Lion. But still, Lion will die I think because of the curse. No! Lion po ay nag-stun sa Mars pero he will indeed die. And Silencer will also die because of the rotation of the NP. Okay, very passive yung taas, of course. Kasi, yun nga, BB2 with the Ring of Health. Very healthy naman to. Yung NP is doing his job. But I think it will delay the contest of the minute 6 na runes. Pag ito medyo nahirapan ng mag-runes tong Storm. No! Lion will stun the SF and no! I think SF will be dead unless he does his ult pero hindi po na-release yung ult. Very good rotation coming for the Lion and it will secure the double damage ng Storm Spirit. Tapos sinupsup pa, binigyan pa ng earn, binigyan pa ng mana. Grabe, ologang mga bading. Anyway, mag-a-attempt po yung taas. Yung BB po, low pa pero matapang pa din. Na-sprout po yung Gyro and no! Grabe yung damage ng Bristleback sa Gyro and Gyro will die sa tok. And to turn around, Silencer will use his Arcane Curse sa BB. And will BB die? Will BB die? I think BB will die without using his Fairy Fire. Pero nevertheless, patay na talaga yun agad eh. And NP will just TP sa harapan ng dalawang support na walang disable. But why did he cancel in the first attempt? Ano yun? Nagtitrip?
Baka na-cancel.
Nagtitrip. Pero nakita po natin yung Storm Rotation is there to kill the Silencer with the DD ha. Double damage to. Pero nakita po natin na walang mana na yung Storm. Ano ba to? Nag-dive pa? No! He will turn around and get a double kill pero wala na po siyang mana talaga. Ano ba? Very unhealthy na yung Storm. Will they back the Storm up? I think Storm will still try to turn with very low HP and he will use his ult one more time pero nagsoling. He is indeed very low pero tatawaan po ang spear will connect sa Mars and Mars ult is used. Dalawa po ang na-stack up, dalawang low HP po na Radiant but will they finish the job? Indeed, they will finish the job and patay pong NP. Grabe yung rotation to. But Lion Stun will be there to connect and they will kill the Mars potentially. And of course, patay po with the tower hits connecting sa Mars. Grabe, sinusup-sup lang ng Lion. Tapos sinusuntok ni Pacquiao. Grabe. Walang problema yung Lion. Anyways, both sides naman nakuha naman ko yung wisdom sa yung Storm. Yung ano naman, yung wisdom naman ng Dire, I think hindi ko alam sino nakuha. Medyo na-busy ako sa ano. Ako, very hindi na pabor ng isip.
Isang win. Kaya grabe yung mga labanan nila.
I think it's good that they're doing that. Pero minsan kasi mapapasobra ka ng ng galaw tapos hindi mo na lang alam na nasa like network twice kumbaga. We can see that the rotation of Storm is there, present naman. Pero nakita natin network twice lamang pa din yung SF because of that. So dapat may balance talaga yung rotation, the farming. Pero to compensate that, of course, sa rotation na yan, may mga nagsa-stack naman. And speaking of stacks, I think BB will take the stacks instead of Storm. Yes, I think BB will take the stacks. Pero I think pabor naman yung mas pabor yata yung Storm pag kinuha niya to kasi di pa to Vanguard tong BB. I think hindi niya makuha tong tong large camp and an ancient camp at the same time. But no, he will just attempt the large camp talaga. Hindi niya talaga kaya yung ancient. Very good rotation coming from the supports of Radiant para ma-secure yung runes kasi wala na talagang runes ng SF eh. Para ma-enable yung rotation ng SF. Wala pa pong nagamit na actually na Requiem. Minute 8 na po. Mars ult is being used sa taas. Nakita po natin yung potential. And I think they will farm. Just farm. Be passive at least. Yun talaga pre-minute 6 talaga. Wala tong Storm. Pero nakita po natin yung yung lakas ng Storm pag may ulti talaga siya. Makaka-reposition siya. Sprout will not connect to any hero. And Task will be ready to counter initiate. I think they will wait for the Mars ult. Yun nga, may Mars ult na po ready. I think they will go for this. Pero no, Lion will be there to counter. No, hindi po nag-meet and get yung Lion tsaka Task. Oh no, and Mars Spear will connect sa Sprout instead of the Mars ult. And that will delay the damage of some sort, pero matay pa din. Napatay pa din yung TA. But Task will be low. Will they kill the Task? No, they will not kill the Task. Oh no, Task, nabuhay po yung Task. I think that was a good attempt kay NP na ma-save yung TA kasi instead of connecting sa walls ng Mars, sa Sprout, sa puno nag-connect to delay the damage konti. But no, it is not enough. The attempt of NP is not enough.
Dire's
Sayang.
middle tower's under
Hindi
attack.
nakita ng Lion yung Task dito sa baba. Pwede nyo i-disrupt yung go ng Task. Sayang. Pero anyway, passive talaga yung top lane. Yung Gyro tsaka yung BB walang ginagawa. So farm lang ng farm talaga. And Silencer, we can see that nag-stack naman ng Ancient tsaka Large Cap. And I think SF or Gyro will take the stacks. Nakita po natin na dininay ng Silencer yung Envy, pero Storm will still go without his mana. Medyo unhealthy na po yung mana ng Storm natin, pero nakita po natin na nag-disrupt ng NP yung Mars. He sprout the Mars pero wala pa din. Lion will still be killed kasi 4 yung heroes, men. 4 na 4. Oh no, and NP cannot do anything. Mars Spear will connect. Ang NP po, kalaban niya yung puno. Akala ko tagalaga siya ng puno. And SF will take the stacks.
Dire's middle tower's under attack.
Wala na, hindi na contest yung stacks. Ganun lang. Oh no. I think ang dapat gawin ng Radiant dito is they will have to run down with the BB. Kasi yung timing ng BB, yung Vanguard malakas na to actually. Backupan nyo ng BB, mag-frontline na tong BB. Kasi yung medyo awkward pa yung catch ng supports ng Radiant
Radiant's middle
Medyo awkward pa yung supports ng Radiant na mag-catch kasi syempre walang boots yung NP. Just there to TP to Sprout. Kung mali naman yung position niya, patay na siya agad. So they need to have some sort of frontliner, which is BB. Dapat siyang sinusundan ng mga supports. Kasi yung timing ng BB, hindi. Sayang yung potential ng timing ng BB. Level 6 na siya. Tsaka yung go pa siya na facet, di ba? And of course, the Quill Spray. Yung damage, yung bread and butter, malakas talaga. Nakita natin yung damage ng Quill Spray talaga. Nakakapatay ng Gyro kanina. But instead, they will be, naghihiwalay na sila. Hindi ko to gusto coming from the Radiant. Medyo pangit yung galaw nila. Compared kaninang early, sobrang solid naman yun. Pero ngayon, ayaw ko na. Hindi ko na gusto itong nakikita ko.
Sila lang salad. Oh my god, cover ko na sa akin.
Hindi ko na gusto. Men, dapat nagra-rundown sila from together with BB. Pero nakita po natin yung runes po will be contested ng Lion. Very good rotation from the supports just to secure the runes na kung makuha ng SF, it will enable the SF rotation kasi talaga. They will have a global, they will have a Mars ult, they will have a Walrus punch, and I think they will move after, some time. Kasi medyo passive na yung laro Hindi ko to gusto, men. Hindi nila nilalabas yung potential ng BB. Yung timing ng BB ganito ka-early. Wala pang sagot ang Dire sa BB. With Vanguard, with Vanguard. Anong kalaban nila? Creeps? Dapat may sumasabay sa BB kasi ang awkward ng entry ng BB. Kailangan maka-lockdown ng some sort. May Sprout ba yan? May Impale? Wala kasi.
Diba?
BB needs some kind of partner to lock the attempt, to lock down the hero na inattempt ng BB. But instead, yun nga, medyo passive pa. Hindi ko gusto nakikita ko. What will they do? Will they just farm and farm and farm? Or hihintayin nila yung minute 14.
Dire's top tower's under attack.
Ano ba to? I don't know. I can't read the minds of mga tanga. Ano ba to?
Sabi ni Moslap,
Finger
sana
is ready.
partner na.
Oh man!
Ay, sana may finger pa yung Lion ready but he will not have the resources or the mana for that finger. Pero ano yung ginagawa niya? Ba't nandyan pa siya kung wala siyang mana?
Oh man, what?
Yung nagmamana drain. Okay, will that be enough? Level 2 na mana. Finger, okay. It will be enough. So, will they go for the smoke play? Hindi po. Saan na? Very passive na yung laro. With your cooldowns, napapanis na yung mga cooldowns nyo.
Dire's top tower's under attack.
I think after they take the wisdom, they will go for something as like a team or as 5 ganyan. They will go for something talaga kasi Wala na. Wala na akong nakikita. Both sides ready po yung resources nila.
Dyer's top tower is under attack. Dyer's top
Mars
tower
will
is
have his
falling.
dagger close. Mga a minute or two. SF has his Yashakaya na. Mga very good timings, no? Ng mga heroes natin. And BB will also have his blade mail. Pero ba't wala pa din? Wala pa din nangyayari. Will they go for the trade lang ng tier 1, ganun lang? No. Gusto nila yung ano, no? Yung parang secured talaga, confident sila, men. Huwag tayo mong lumaban pag hindi tayo confident. Wala tayong timing. Ganun.
Dyer's middle tower is under attack.
Grabe, kawawa tong ano, Jen. Kawawa tong Radiant sa teamfight na tong ano yan. O hindi sila nauna. Pag silang naunahan, for sure, kawawa talaga.
Dyer's top tower
Pag may
is under attack.
na-spear man tong Mars na isang hero, dapat ang mag-back up kasi talaga sa backlines is yung Lion or yung Storm. Dapat ma-disrupt ng Lion or Storm yung follow-up ng Dire sa likod. Yun talaga yung winning condition. Pero nakita po natin na Dire will
I think
pop their smoke. Will they go for the attempt?
Kasi may global yung global silence sila.
That's the thing. Ngayon ko palang nakita yung attempt na global. Kanina pa yan. Level 8 na siya. Ngayon ko palang nakita na mag-global. Level 8 ng silencer. But nonetheless, nakita po natin naka-smoke po. SF will just show himself. Pero ready po yung mga tropa niya. Yan po natin kung mag-attempt sila. They are still ready for the attempt. Will they go for the attempt? Will they go for the attempt? No, they will not. Pero Mars is still ready. Anytime ready po. But will NP see the Mars? NP will see the Mars? No, he will not see the Mars. Ano ba yan? Yung malapit na pero malayo na. Malayo pa. Pero nakita po natin yung Mars will cast a spear just to disrupt the BB, and Requiem will be used just to kill the BB, the tanky BB, and Storm will go in, pero Global Silence will be used to disrupt the Storm initiation. Mars ult will isolate 3 heroes. Mamamatay ba yung Mars? Nandun po, TEN Lion na sa Mars ult po, pero walang follow up po yung Mars ult, and he will just moonwalk in his life.
Pinakain
Wala na.
pinakain yung baby ng skills para maano nila yung global.
Very good attempt. Dapat kanina pa to, men. Dapat kanina pa to naprapantline tong BB na attempt na yan para gawan sila. Ngayon ko lang nakita, men, kasi yung timing niya na blade mail, yung vanguard ko, parang ngayon lang nakita yung potential. Kaya mo, pag Mars ult, wala talagang follow up kasi Requiem was used. Wala talagang follow up. Very good attempt coming from the Dire, pero lamang yung Radiant doon na fight. And we can see that BB is going for the shard, early shard, one of the best shards in the game. As early as this,
Dyer's middle tower is under
as
attack.
early as possible makuha mo yan, it is one of the best. Especially with that facet. Not only does it empower the goo, yung facet niyan, but the shard will pop 2 goos. Equal yan sa ilang minus armor ba yan, yung 2 goo instantly. Not including base armor, ha. Ano ba yan, yung parang may stacking kumbaga. But you can see that Dire will be passive again kasi wala silang mga cooldowns. But Radiant will be ready. I think they pop their smoke. Lion will try to find something. Will he just go for the ward or ano bang attempt nila? Kasi may TP ult tong Nature's Prophet. They can do anything actually with the BB. Pagkasama nila yung BB. But I think the smoke will not be used in some sort of kind of way. Pero feel ko mapapakita tong BB and they will go for the BB once he goes for the last hits sa lane. Pero dalawang side, man. Sobrang patient yung dalawang side, oh. Groovy. Pero hindi po patient yung BB. Nakita po yung BB again. Siya po nang nauna. Pero Mars, ult will blink in. No, hindi po natin. Nadisa po ng Lion yung Mars. Nan-hex po yung Mars and he will not cast anything. The Mars spear will not connect and global will be used. Pero medyo awkward po yung global kasi wala pong follow-up coming from the Dire. Pero yung task, sinusuntok po yung Lion. But Silencer will be dead. Lion will be dead. Pero nagamit po yung finger before he dies and that will secure the kill of the task. That will secure the kill sa task. Grabe, men. Sobrang ganda ng pag-disrupt ng Lion sa Mars. Nag-blink in yung Mars and Mars was hexed by the Lion instantly to disrupt his cast ng mga spells niya. Beautifully executed coming from the Lion.
Dyer's top
Ganda.
tower is under attack.
And meanwhile, yung mga carry natin, medyo, farming game na. Pero because of that kill, wala na pong global, they will take the Aegis. They will attempt for the Roshan. And of course, ito for sure, bibigay ito sa Storm. For sure. Kasi magra-rundown lang ito na magra-rundown.
Magaling na yung gyro. Tapos may dagger. Na yung
And of course, indeed, makukuha po ng Storm yung Aegis. For sure. Kasi yung TA medyo tanky to eh. Hindi naman siya tanky like HP wise. Of course, because of the refract. So, parang malabong mamatay to, especially mga instance damage yung sa Dire, like Walrus Punch, mga Spear, ganun, Raise. Of
Pwede
course,
rin
hindi naman
sumakak sa
mababypass
akin.
yung refraction. Nakita po natin na very na yung Dire. Medyo hindi na po lamang sila sa pero will they contest for the runes and SF will be there to abang ang runes. Pero no, unfortunately, sa Storm po yung baba, yung runes sa baba with the amplified damage. And this will, I think, go for, or let's see, signal sa go nila. Pero no, global was used. No, I think na may narinig pala ako dito. May aswang, kala ko na global. May narinig ako sumigaw.
Okay, last word, boss.
Okay. Pero nakita po natin yung Dire nag-smoke. Will they go for the attempt sa high ground? Mabibreak ba ng BB yung smoke? Hindi nga. Mabibreak niya nga. Pero no, Requiem will be used sa BB point blank. Blink in Requiem sa BB point blank. Global is used. Pero saan? Para saan yung global? For the attempt sa Storm? But no, Storm also already has the Aegis. Okay. I think it is still worth it for the Dire. Namatay po yung BB natin. And that Blink Mars Spear into Requiem na combo is very deadly.
Dire's bottom tower is under attack.
And I think libre po yung TA dito sa baba kasi na alam nilang walang Requiem, walang Mars ult. But no, TA will push out. Hindi po siya mag-attempt. Nakita po natin na nag-smoke yung Storm tsaka Lion. Will they be ready for the fight? Will they be ready for the fight? Walang global, pero may Mars ult na po. Pero Storm will jump in from the downtown. Malayo po yung pag-jump niya. BKB use. Will they disrupt? Will they try to save the SF? And indeed, they will try to save the SF using the snowball. Pero mabubuhay bang SF? I think hindi na po. Mamamatay na po yung SF for sure. And that will cause also the death of Tusk sa pag-attempt niya sa pag-save. NP will be tipping to attempt the chase of Silencer. Will they find the Silencer? Nakita po yung Silencer during the zip. And of course, Silencer will die easily. And they will take the tier 1 tower. Solid man, solid. Now without the SF's presence, wala na talaga to patay. And Mars will snipe Storm's Aegis. But of course, it's still the Aegis pa. Hindi pa masyadong hindi pa masyadong may impact. Kasi feel ko need talaga din magamit na And Storm will get the Arcane Rune. Potentially a next fight using the Arcane Rune. But this is the thing, Jen. Next fight, ready na po yung Dire with their spells. They have cooldown ready. Like the Global, yung Requiem, yung Mars ult, ready po lahat. But will they fight back? Will the Radiant fight back? Knowing na ready yung mga resources ng Dire. Let's see. Ganda tong nakuha ng Storm. Naka-Arcane siya, ganun. Tapos naka-Blade Mail na yung NP. So yung mga timing ng Radiant na dyan na present na yung timing na hinihintay nila. BKB ready na yung Storm, ganun. TA also has his parang core items ready. The Deso, the Blink, the Dragon Lance. Pwede na yan. Rob, hindi ko pa nakita yung gyro sa fight. Like sa previous fights, wala talagang gyro.
farm talaga siya.
I think he secured the BKB lang. The BKB is on the way. And I think they will try to connect. He will try to connect sa smoke ng Dire. Which is, ito talaga nakita natin, nag-smoke na po yung Mars. Pero Tormentor po nakuha na agad ng Radiant. Are they late? I think they are late. No, they are not late. Ng Mars ult po, grabe po yung Mars ult. Blind Mars ult to connect sa TA. And TA will of course, no! He will blink in ang exit po. But to cover the exit of TA, SF and Tusk is there. Nandun po yung superhero. Ba't nandyan pa po yung NP? Ba't ayaw niya pati? No! Ba't
Alala
nandun
siya,
pa din?
men. Nag-alala siya.
Ba't di niya tinuloy yung TP niya? Namatay tuloy siya na +1. And buyback will be used sa NP and global is casted lang just to disrupt and the initiation of Radiant. Pero tingnan po natin, Lion Finger is used sa task. Pero tingnan po natin na BKB pop yung Storm. Gumagalaw na. Zip, zap. Mamatay pa yung Mars and mamamatay pa yung Gyro. Grabe naman yung Arcane Rune ng Storm. Clean up, man. Will they find the remaining 2 Dire Heroes? Pero tumi-TP out po yung Silencer. Will they have a cancel? Wala pong cancel. Ang gundo. Gundo nung Arcane usage, man. Sobrang ganda ng Arcane.
Mahirap yung TA, nawala yung puno.
Grabe, without the TA, they still won the fight without the TA. So, akala ko star player. Ba't 4v5? Ganun lang. Anyway, ano yun eh, buyback din yun ng NP. So, parang medyo may trade sa fight nila na panalunan nila. Grabe yung Arcane usage, man. Sobrang worth, sobrang efficient. Kaysa naman ma-expire mga panis. Pero that was a good attempt sa Mars eh. Magandang attempt yung Mars eh. Nag-blind siya na ulti. I think they scanned it. Blind attempt sa Tormentor na tumitipi and it connect. Tapos the spear connected sa TA talaga. Ganda yun. Blind yun eh. That was a ballsy move coming from the Mars. Very commended sa ballsy move niya.
Up na naman ang ulti.
You can see that Radiant will have the network lead by 8k. Yan po natin kung may rune rotation sa minute 26 and it is a shield rune. Wala po mako-contest. Ayun nga, wala mako-contest. And Envy na nga yung Storm may shield pa. Will they go for a fight? Hindi yata. Napop na po yung Envy ng Storm. It is very passive na. Very passive na. Wala pong movement galing from both sides. And speaking of movement, ito po, nag-smoke na po yung Dire. Tingnan natin kung saan sila magkoconnect. Pag yung Storm ang nakuha, for sure, insta-dead. Pag Storm ang nakita, pag break ng smoke, global will be used. Wala pa pong sagot ang Storm unless he reacts with the BKB. Pero mahirap pa din eh. Mahirap mag-react ng mabilisan pag global tapos mag-BKB ka pa. Tapos na-spear ka na pala. Or na-punch ka na. Diba? But let's see ano bang attempt nila. Mabilis din cancel ng follow-up tong SF kasi pag may nakita silang isa, i-blink in ng SF with the requiem of souls to fear the follow-up of Radiant. So medyo delikado talaga pag nauna yung ano. Pero nakita po natin yung Mars will blink and will catch the Lion and Mars Spear will connect sa Lion. Pero Lion lang po yan. Will the Radiant fight back knowing that Mars ult is used pero Global is still ready to be used? Pero hindi po nag-global. Hindi ko alam ba't hindi nag-global pero SF will try to snipe the backfence with his Requiem of Souls. Na-fair po ang lahat. And Gyro BKB will be used and Global po to cover the kulang na team fight. Will they survive? Will the BB survive? The Gyro will not survive. The BB will indeed survive. Naka-exit po yung BB. Pero TA will fight back. Pinagpapalo po ng TA lahat ng tropahan. Nakita po natin naka-blink out yung SF safely. But Storm will dive in just to disrupt the exit of Mars and Silencer. Pero yung SF po naka-exit po ng maayos.
Anong item mo,
Very
Nung
good
Storm?
patience coming from the Radiant.
Ba't
Grabe
hindi
yung
nag-global?
patience, man. May BKB kasi, man. May BKB. Grabe yung
Okay.
patience ng Radiant, man. Nag Mars ult na sila, so I think they need to kite like the spell, the cooldowns. Tapos hindi sila nagko-commit unless nag-global talaga. Nakita mo pa yung Gyro na nag-BKB, they kited the fight. Pero ba't may narinig ako ng BKB? Ano ba yun? Ako lang po may sira yung earphones. May narinig ako ng BKB. Anyway, mag-attempt po yung Aegis na naman. Or I think this is still for the Storm. Kasi it's still for the Storm. Kasi for sure, very, very value talaga yung sa Storm instead of the TAs eh. Especially ngayon, may tier 2 pa yung Dire, tsaka sa mid, tsaka top eh. So, hindi pa sila makaka-high ground. But if makaka-high ground naman, syempre, sa TA talaga yung Aegis. Grabe yung patience, man. But from both sides, ha? The patience of SF to disrupt the backlines using his ult. But the patience also of Radiant to not commit. Okay. Gundo. Parang nagpa-frontline lang yung BB just to buy time to cast their spells. And yung Gyro na may BKB, nagpa-front na. Kasi yung Mars kasi parang initiation lang na hero na to eh. Hindi na siya nagpa-front na maayos. Kaya talaga yung mga blink off lane masyado. Hindi nagpa-front, hindi nagpapakita. He will just initiate and try to kite themselves. Ganyan. Mag-wait ng cooldown, tapos papasok na lang. Ganyan. Pero nakita po natin, ginawan po yung SF with the Storm Vortex was used and with the power of NP and his property. Ba't namatay yung NP? Namatay mo yung NP, gago. Namatay yung NP kasi nakakast ng ult ng SF.
Alay siya,
Tapos
tayong
may backlash na Requiem pa. Na death. Grabe yun, bago. Nakakapit kasi. Pero I think it's still a worthy trade talaga. A support for the mid laner na kailangan ng Dire for the team fights and that will open their tier 2 attempt. And nag-link na yung yung Dire. So I think they know that it will be on cooldown. Alam niyo na to. Magaling to sila. And Storm will still be healthy pero grabe naman yung aggressiveness ng Storm. Pumasok lang. Without follow-up with the team. Hindi pumapasok lang. Ganun lang. Pero nakita po natin na dodge niya pa yung mana drain na kakampi niya. Grabe naman. Pinadodge yung skill ng kakampi. Tuyo. Yung mana drain naman. Sinip-zap niya ba? Kupal. Kupal tong Storm eh. SF will be up in 10 seconds, 8 seconds more or less, and the Dire will have their cooldowns or spells ready. Will they go for an attempt? Nakita po natin yung Mars, medyo kulang siyang BKB, it will be close. No, Task will be, nakita po yung farm, and they will go for the Task will attempt, and Task will just delay his death using his snowball. Will he exit using his snowball? But no. He will punch the Storm before he dies. And Finger is used so Mars. Pero Mars po, na-force na po ng Silencer, but that will not be enough. And Silencer will die. It will be dead eventually. Scepter will just delay his immediate death. And they will go for the high ground, knowing that Mars is not there to start the fight. Oh no, beautifully executed by the Ranger. Bumabangi. Doon lang mo nung Dire sa early, pero syempre, yan yung power talaga ng Dire, yung puno ng saging, yung early aggressiveness nila. Pero once maano mo yung stage na yun, once ma-conquer nila yung early aggressiveness ng puno ng saging, wala na, kaya na nila palagan. Now we can see that the Mars and Silencer will be up in a few seconds. May global po, may Mars ult ready. Will the Gyro TP back? Will the Gyro TP back? Yung tanong, but no, NP will be there to disrupt the TP of Gyro, but he will have no cancels. And I think they will go for the fight kasi wala na pong NP. And indeed, they will go but fail to do so. Kapag TP out na po yung Storm. Grabe. Grabe, nakita ko yung mga sunod-sunod na mga moves nila parang chess, pero ba't hindi nagpo-connect? Hindi yung parang gusto nilang mangyari. Ba't hindi ganun? Sayang kung may follow-up yung NP doon, masak yung Gyro. But it's still very good for the Radiant kasi Aegis is still there for a minute and a few seconds. Pwede pa sila mag-asim, knowing that they have the vision dito sa medyo area ng Dire. So I don't know kung Grabe to si Boss Magento. Sana hanggang game 5. Sana wala na ako doy. Pagod na ako. Wala na ang boses game 5 doy. Wala na doy. Game 2 pala parang pagod na ako. Jido, si Zap na magkakas. Si Zap na magkakas. Si Zap na magkakas.
Tulungan ka, Allen, dito ka lang. Tutulungan ka ni Zach.
Wait, tingnan po natin. Magre-resume na po yung game. Pero tingnan po natin kung magko-connect ba yung Radiant sa Lion. Kasi yung Lion po nakita and Snowball is used sa Lion. Pero Gimmer Cape will be used just to interrupt his Walrus Punch. BKB, Bobby, pinap ng BKB. yung BB2 ng BKB, pero for what? I don't know, Mars ult is useless to interrupt the hits of NP and try to kill the Lion, pero the use of just to dodge the finger, but that will only delay his death. Lion is still alive. Is strong, without HP, without mana. But speaking of mana, nag-mana drain po para masubsob ang mana ng Gyro, and Gyro will die. And to catch the SF, global silence is used just to try to save the SF's exit. Pero hindi, wala pong nagawa yung Storm. Storm without HP and mana will still have his Aegis, will turn around and kill the SF. Grabe! Storm will jump deeply. Go Scepter po yung silencer. Oh no! Wala na po magalaw.
No, pagod na si Alex.
Oh no! Sabi buyback. Global silencer will be buybacking, pero yung silencer, ano po magagawa ng dalawa na yan? Wala na po. And this is it. The patience and the discipline of Radiant they will go for the tier 4 and will not go for the rocks anymore kasi wala na pong Gyro and SF, but Mars will be there to spear, to connect, to NP. Yung NP nakuulo lang sa backlines, yung throne, yung NPA, yung star, yung throne na, wala na po sila magagawa to defend, and that is GG. Beautifully executed, well done, galing sa Radiant. They had the discipline, they had the discipline
Ganda,
and the
ganda,
patience.
finals, ganda.
Grabe. Aabutin yata ng 5 games din. Sobrang gagaling